And this is the follow video from the last video I made of the pulley. I mean of the bracket, the fan pulley, a bracket housing. So what I found, I think was failure is here. This cracked just now and it was loose. Look, it's loose. Look. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. It's loose. Yeah, I can move it. Right now I can't because I think I tightened it, but it was loose. And also, inside here, it like broke. See this? Crazy. I already disassembled the fan, the pulley right here, and the housing. I'm gonna buy this part and this part, and then I'll put these two back together.